Hey, hi, hello. Yeah, we move very soon. Now we are in our Shinzu lab. Today we are going to show you how our UD box work with these two machines and our beamformer box. That's one of our UD. The setup here is we use one signal generator and we use the model MG3694C. It's from Anritsu. This is signal analyzer, and the model is MS2850. These two are basically they are Sub-6 models, so the arc signal we are using now is 2 GHz.
Oh, so 2 GHz. Yeah.
2 GHz signal.
All right.
And 2 GHz analyzer.
All right.
And the signal we are using today is CW tone, it's continuous wave. So that's the basic setup here today. So we are going to prove that with our UD box, you can work properly with the Sub-6 instrumentation.
Okay.
And you can conduct or perform any mmWave experiment you like. The signal generator, it feeds 2 GHz signal into this IF4. And the box up convert the signal to 28 GHz and feed into that's our 28 GHz beamformer.
Okay, so the LO is set at 26 GHz.
Yeah, the signal comes out here to this side.
Okay.
Right. So these two B box they all do beamforming with a different array size, but that's not for today. Once the signal has been received, the 28 GHz signal will be fed into the UD box and down convert to 2 GHz.
Okay.
Right, and 2 GHz will fit into this signal analyzer. So as from the screen you can see the signal has been properly analyzed and showed up on the display. Since we already set up with our beamformer, I'd like to show you what if we move our beam and what's going to happen here.
Okay.
You'd like to see?
Sure. So you can change the direction of the beam.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah. So to prove everything is live. That's not
okay.
That's not preset up. We changed the beam angle, so the beam has been steered to this way. Right.
Okay.
Now they are not pointing to each other, so the signal has been dropped.
Okay.
Right. So from the whole setup and the demonstration result I show you here, actually we show you the instrumentation with our device.
Okay.
Yep.
So this one is signal generator, right?
Right.
So if I have an AWG, can I use AWG instead of signal generator?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
Yeah. So no matter it's CW tone or modulated signal, actually it's being a channel. Right?
Okay.
So we can probably work with the AWG or other signal generator with any kind of a waveform. Since we designed especially for 5G mmWave, so for 5G new radio waveform, we can also convert it very well.
So if I have a signal generator only, can I use UD box and signal generator so without this spectrum analyzer to do another kind of test?
Yeah, of course. So in this case, actually, you up-convert your lower frequency signal to mmWave.
Okay.
Right. So with UD box, of course, that's one of the purposes we designed for low frequency instrumentation. With this setup, there's no receiver side.
Okay.
Right. So only the low frequency signal is being up converted by UD box.
Okay.
I have a slide probably I can show you here.
Sure.
From the slide, you can see our UD box probably up convert the signal. So we provide mmWave, right? So no matter that's if we fit in CW tone to up convert signal, we have an accessory is from 24 GHz power amplifier. Our UD box we also offer 5V and the 9V external power supply, and that's exactly for supply our accessory power amplifier. So everything else being considered very carefully.
Okay. Okay. So I can use signal generator with a UD box to up convert.
Right. Right.
And if I need higher power, higher gain, I can use the power amplifier.
Right. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
So another question is, if I have a spectrum analyzer,
Yeah.
and I can use spectrum analyzer with UD Box again to do another kind of test without signal generator.
In this case, of course, again, if you already have some millimeter wave source, signal source, and you like to analyze that millimeter wave signal source with sub-6 GHz instrumentation,
Okay,
then of course you can do with our UD Box.
sure.
So you just down convert the millimeter wave signal source down to the frequency band your analyzer can do.
Okay.
So in this example, that's somewhere in between 2 GHz to 5 GHz.
Okay. So I guess in the last video you mentioned about the signal synchronization between UD Box and the spectrum analyzer. So can you show us how it works?
Yeah, of course. From the rear panel, there are 10 megahertz and 100 megahertz synchronization signals. So with the 10 megahertz, our UD Box provide a very high quality signals to be synchronized with instrumentation.
Okay.
Yep. So with the BNC cable, it's been easily to sync two devices together.
Okay.
There's no problem. Yeah.
Okay. Good. And so we are doing OTA testing here.
Yes.
And how about the conductive test?
Yeah, that's for sure. Same thing here, because we show the OTA testing here because I also like to show you the mobile box.
Oh, sure, yeah.
So we can also measure devices like an amplifier or filter. Yep, with the cable.
Okay.
So the cables we connect to the DUT, and we can also perform them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which kind of DUT?
Yeah, like I say, amplifier or filter, just all that kind of component.
Okay. So
Right.
any passive components?
Passive or active is
Okay. Okay. That's
Yeah.
good. All right.
I think that's the demo today. We show you how our UD Box work with SG signal generator and the signal analyzer.
Okay.
I hope this video helps you to think about if you, in your experiments or your setup you need frequency converter, then you can consider TMYTEK UD Box.
Yeah.
And that's it
Okay.
for today. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Bye.